Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video will show you how Microsoft Excel can be used to solve linear equation system with complex number. Let's start. Let's open the application. Right, this is the application without macro and very small size, only 70 kilobytes. Alright, how we start? First, we have to select the matrix. For example, one equation and one variable like this, and the result will be shown in here. The result A, and matrix 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, until maximum matrix 10 by 10. Right. Back to matrix 1 by 1. We can change the data here. 2a equal 3 minus 2i, and the answer is can change to the real data. 2a equals 7 and a is equal 3.5. Yeah, we can change 0 and the result is question mark. 4 minus 4i, 7 minus 2i. Alright, this is the example. You can change, if you change the data here, become 1 plus 90, right? This error. 90 cell value is not using standard of complex format, become red. The result is nothing. We have to return this by J, can return by J. The result is coming back. If we delete this data, cell value empty, cannot have to input data, right? And the result is in rectangular form. We can change it into color. This is the polar. Alright, now we are going to demonstrate this application into the real data from internet. Let's open this. Okay, there is 2 by 2 data. We can change this into matrix 2 by 2. Okay, this is Z1 and Z2. This is, we have A and B. Okay, A 1 plus I, and below 1 minus I, this is minus 1, and 1 plus I, and constant number here, I and 1, I and 1. So we have a result. This is A, this means Z1 is 0.5 plus 0.5i, and B Z2 is 0. Okay, let's see the answer. See this, Z1 is I 1 plus I minus 2, same. 0.5 plus 0.5i, and Z2 is 0, B is 0. Alright, another data. Alright, this is the same matrix 2 by 2, searching from Wolfram alpha. This 1 plus I is not change. 3 plus 2I here. Here 2 plus I equal 5. And below here is 4 plus I equal 10. And the answer is A 2 plus I and B 1 minus 2I. Same. X 2 plus I, same with A here. And Y 1 minus 2I. Same. Alright, let's have another sample. Alright, this is 6 by 6, but only filled 3 by 3, and the answer is 3 x y z. You can just 3 by 3. Alright, we change the data here. If we want to type minus in Excel, we have to type apostrophe first. 1 minus 4i minus 2 plus 5i, 12 minus 3i, and minus 5i. Here, same. Minus 3 plus 4i and 6. And the constant here, 2 plus I, here 3i, and 3 plus 4i. And we have the answer here. For the Cartesian rectangular form, A is equal x here minus 1.08 plus 0.03 j. This is I here. Yeah, same. This is a round up 0.0285 I. 0.24 minus 0.08 I. 0.72 plus 0.14 J. Same. And for the polar form, we can change here. Yes, radius 1.0827, same, and 178.49 degree. 0.25, and this is minus 17, it's equal with 342.72 degree, and 0.74 is 11.14 degree. Yeah. We change this, become 2 by 2. Yes. Change this 2 by 2. Same. Oh, it's different. 3 minus 2i, same. and the answer is same 1.5, 42, 0.45, 0.45 degree, and rectangular form same 1.11, 1.01, and also that's all. Thank you for subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.